Lefeet would love to bring everyone a brand new way of water entertainment. Unbinding your legs under the water by offering you a more relaxing way of diving. Supporting you to save more energy and stay longer under the water. Wireless control. Unprecedented liberation of your hands. Low noise, not disturbing, but intimate interaction with marine life. Subversively light with superpower. Small body with huge energy. 3 speed gears, making you the master underwater. Many different choices of accessories, giving you many options for fun. Scuba diving, free diving, snorkeling, stand-up paddleboarding, and more waiting for players to discover. Waterproof to 30 meters, bringing you an easier way to dive. Simple and convenient, suitable for all age levels. Fully high-tech design with fashionable outlooking.